tonight, this afternoon, I said that so many times, this afternoon, we are featuring our senior band members performing for the last time on a regularly scheduled performance on their home field. And we did this earlier in the year, we know, but we wanted to recognize our band seniors and their folks and their loved ones are coming out here at this time and to hug their necks. They will be receiving their hoodies from the band boosters a little later in the game. That's our tradition that we just started, and we're so proud of them. We're going to miss them terribly. They've really stepped up this year. I told them they could not cry until after they performed today, and that goes for me too, although I think I've already broken my own rule on that. But we have Ashley, Cam, Ashley, Zach, Ricky, Kevin, and Hunter. All right. Thank you, parents and supporters, for coming out, but really appreciate it. All right, now it's time for us to play. Okay, parents, y'all move on off. Ladies and gentlemen, the Wynnewood High School Marching Band, building of 86 years of pride and tradition, always preparing for the next performance. Thank you very much.